side hustle that you need to start right now, and a side hustle that's personally made me thousands of dollars each month, is reselling. And the reason I'm saying you need to start it right now is because we're already in Q3, quarter three. And once we get to quarter four, that's going to be the time when people start buying. And I'm telling you, people buy heavy during quarter four, because during quarter four, it's October to December, and that's that Christmas time. During that Christmas time, people are buying heavy. And people are still buying right now. But I'm telling you, Q4 is a whole different type of season. So I don't know what type of side hustle you're doing right now. And frankly, it doesn't really matter, because the thing about reselling is it's so easy that you could do other side hustles while you're learning how to resell. So you might as well get into it so you don't miss out on a whole bunch of money. But Q4 is about 12 weeks away, so you have more than enough time to learn. And it's not a lot to learn. There's just a lot of information out there, and there's no guide to show you exactly how to do it so you can make some money. So that's why I'm saying start now so you can actually make some money, so you can get the beginner mistakes out the way. And I've been reselling for over a year now. And last year, when it was Q4, I made like multiple bands and I wasn't even trying for real. And really, I really think I didn't make as much money as I wanted to, only because I didn't have the inventory in time. I didn't start buying stuff beforehand and start looking at what's selling beforehand and what people want beforehand. If I did that, oh my gosh, I'm telling you, I would have came out that junk with so much money. That's why I'm not letting it happen this year. I already know what to do this year. I already know what's going to go crazy this year. So I already know how much money I'm going to make, and it's going to be a lot. So that's why I'm saying you do the same thing. It's out there. The money's to be made out there. I know everybody's looking for a little bit of extra money to make, and the money's out there. So here's a little step by step of what you need to do right now. Right now, you don't need a crazy amount of money. You just need a little bit of money so you can understand the process of buying and selling and shipping everything out, and getting the whole process done, right? With 12 weeks that we have, or even less if you're seeing this later. But I mean, if it is Q4 from October to December, right? If it's October, you still have more than enough time. If it's December, okay, you might as well start reselling so that the next Christmas you can go crazy. And also, there's a whole bunch of different times in between the year where reselling goes crazy. But don't worry about that right now. Right now, just get some items, ship it, and or list it, sell it, and ship it. And you just keep on doing that process. Build yourself some confidence. Learn how to interact with buyers, how to take pictures, how to do pricing, how to talk to suppliers, where to find vendors, all that stuff like that. Just learn all that so that by the time it's time to start getting ready for Q4, you're getting sales off and you're not having to worry about nothing. Because reselling rewards people who know what they're doing. Reselling rewards people who are prepared for whatever is coming out. So if something's coming out or something is about to go crazy, or there's a time in the season that you already know and you already prepared and have everything for it, then you're going to make a lot of money, because that's what people are looking for. Now, if you're just starting or you've already started, but you want to make sure you're prepared for this next season that's coming, I have a community for people who want to actually make some money with reselling and want to win this next quarter, so that for the rest of the year, the rest of the months, they can eventually get to their 1K a month and past it. It doesn't matter if the community is big or small. I'll be helping everybody who joins, everybody who's in there, to make sure that we make this money and we keep on stacking. So make sure you join up. It's in the description down below. And with that being said, peace out.